Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see the solution for this question. Write a function that returns the count of negative numbers in an array. So for this, we'll create a function count negative, and we are going to pass array in the parameter. Inside of this function, we need a variable called count, and we are going to initialize it with 0. And we are going to run the loop. It is going to run throughout the array's length. And going to increment by 1 every time. So the condition would be if array of I is less than 0, then we are going to increment the value of this count by 1. Either we can write count plus plus or count equals to count plus 1. Either one of these will work. And once this loop is completed, once the complete array's element is iterated and found the total count of the negative number, we are going to return this count. Okay, so let us test with an example. Const result is equals to, we're going to call this and pass this array and console this result. So ideally the value should be 1, 2, and 3. Let us just run this file and we get 3. Suppose we are doing -1, it should return as 4 now. So yes, the total count of negative numbers in this array is 4. So yes, this is the solution of this question. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.